guys, I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews, and this is my IPSY OS box, meaning that they pre-send me a box of the goodies that you could possibly get this month. I tried to get this video out as quickly as I could so that you could use it to help you decide for some of the choices. I think they just do that for the Glam Bag Plus, but anyway, so for the month of June, the theme is all about pride and you do you, boo. So this is the bag, both of the bags. Super cute. I actually really like these. I think they're really fun, you know, vibrant, lots of colors. I love that. I love that I'm like wearing black and talking about how I love colors, whatever. Anyway, first item I have here is from FLUIDE. This is Otherworldly, and it is an 8-shade palette. Look at those beautiful colors. So you've got some mattes in there and some like neutral brownie colors, and then these gorgeous pops of color. So I've worn this a couple of times. I did this gold shimmery shade to Jiu-Jitsu yesterday. Everybody was very surprised that I had makeup on and that it was so glittery, but it looked really great and it lasted all throughout Jiu-Jitsu, which I was really impressed with. So today I am wearing, I think I have like this one in my crease, and then I have this one on the movable part of my lid, and then this darker one out in the outer V, and I kind of, you know, blended them all together. They're not super dark or anything. You can use them wet or dry depending on how intense you want the colors, but I just thought it was a really fun palette. So to apply that, I got a set of brushes. These are from SLMISSGLAM. She was a YouTuber and started a line. They're vegan and cruelty-free, which is great, and they're so fun. They look like little glittery wands. My daughter saw these and she was like, I love those brushes. So we have kind of a bigger brush. It's a little bit on the dense side. So I used this for a cream bronzer and I really, really liked it. I wouldn't do like foundation with this, but for a cream bronzer, I thought it was great. Today I used it for my blush and I felt like it was just a little too dense, like I got way too much product, but it's a nice, soft, good sized brush. And then this one, which is tapered, and this one's not super fluffy either, but it does make a good brush for like dusting off powder around here in small areas, that sort of thing. You could like contour with it because it's got that nice taper on there. And then 3 eye brushes. So you have one that's pinched at the ferrule, which is what I use to like pack on the color. And then you have a more, 2 actually. This one is like a flat top and this one's a little tapered, but these are great just blending brushes. I really like these. I thoroughly enjoyed using them when I put on my makeup today. 111 Skin, 111 Skin, I don't know how you're supposed to say it. It's the Rose Gold Radiance Booster. These serums are freaking money. They're like $135 or something crazy like that. And I've gotten a couple of them from IPSY. This one is lovely. You know, it's supposed to be radiant and whatnot. It seems very nice. It has like a little bit of shimmer to it, but you don't notice it in your skin. It's not like glitter face or anything. It does have a fairly strong perfume smell to it, which I don't like. I mixed it in with just marula oil, and you know, that's helped a little bit, but it's just, I hate it when they put perfumes in skincare. Like, put it in my hair care, sure. My body care, absolutely. But for my face, I don't want perfumey face. That's all I have to say about that. So anyway, you know, I might use it. Maybe I'll use it like on my neck and my hands or something, because it's the smell of it. Like if it was maybe something that was fruity or coffee smelling, I probably wouldn't be that opposed. But because it smells like perfume, I don't like it. Okay, this one smells like shaving cream to me. So this one is a hair mask. It's to like help grow your hair. Grow Gorgeous Intelligent Hair Care, and it's strengthening hair and scalp mask. So I just, you know, I washed my hair and then put this on and left it in my hair and then like shaved my legs or something and then rinsed it out. And my hair feels great, really soft and, you know, fluffy, and it smells like shaving cream. I don't mind that actually. I'll keep using it. I love hair care stuff. This is from GLAMGLOW. This was actually one of the little sample size ones, and GLAMGLOW is not cruelty free. It's one of those, like, they say they're cruelty free except where required by law, which in my book is not cruelty free. So I won't purchase GLAMGLOW, but I will use their products because they're really nice products. This one is the SUPERMUD mask, and it's just like a charcoal mask. This one is meant for more like acne prone, oily skin, which I'm not oily skinned, but you know, I can use it like in my T-zone or one of those, you know, like if I'm having some issues or something. But I wish that GLAMGLOW would just like stop doing that. Ooh, this is from Thrive Causemetics. I love their mascara. Their tubing mascara is fantastic. I just gave some to my sister-in-law and she like just keeps raving about it. She's so happy. So I was excited to get this. This is an eye primer. So it comes out, it's a doe foot applicator, you know, and it's just kind of a, I don't know, beigey colored thing, and it doesn't give you any color. It's not like a tint to your eyes, and it just feels like a moisturizer, honestly. And they say to, you know, pat it into your eye and then wait 30 seconds before you apply your makeup. And it is supposed to be waterproof. I have not quite tested that out yet, but I have used it with this, and I should have used this separately to see if it, you know, if it performed as well without this, because with this, I'm telling you, lasts all day, no creasing, even through sweaty jujitsu. I put on my makeup early this morning and it's still there, and I'm loving it. So I'm really excited about this product, and I like the brand Thrive in general. This is from GERARD Cosmetics. I love their lash primer, and they have some other good stuff too, but their lash primer is like, ooh. So this is a liquid liner, and it's one of those ones that's in the pot, and then the wand, I guess, to apply it is like a stiff felt tip kind of a thing. So it feels like a felt tip, but it's definitely dip it in the pot, and it's very liquidy, but it's fairly easy to apply. So I do have it on today, and again, I wore this to jujitsu and it didn't smudge or anything. It looked really nice. I was very impressed with my jujitsu makeup. I'm really liking this. The application is a little odd, and I don't know, like at times it's almost better to like kind of stamp it and then, you know, drag a little bit, but because it's not a brush, it's more of that, it's more of like putting your makeup on with a stick. But the actual formula of it is fantastic. So worst case, you could just use an eyeliner brush and put it on. But honestly, that weird little stiff wand isn't that big of a deal once you get used to it. This is a mascara from Tarte. It is the Tartist mascara. I actually have, look at that. I have the full size right there. And I like this mascara. I love Tarte mascaras. Like, all of their mascaras are great. And this tiny little guy with this big old fat wand, but I love that in the smaller size they still have the wand, because half the time that's what it's all about with mascara, is the wand, because that's going to, you know, be the determining factor of how it combs through your lashes and whatnot. And so far so good with this. I honestly haven't used this in a while because it's been out here. I can't remember if I liked it before, but I've been wearing it for the last couple of days and I like it. It hasn't been flaky or smudgy or anything. Gives me nice lush lashes, so I'm happy. This is the POREfessional Super Setter from Benefit. Benefit is another one of those brands that it's not fully cruelty-free because they still test on animals where required by law. So anyway, this, I used it today, and it has a very fine mist on it, which is great. It's supposed to help set your makeup and make it stay longer, as well as, you know, just give you that flawless finish. And it has micro powder particles in it to help soak up shine. So for you oily skin ladies, you know, this might be, I would be curious because I don't get oily like that, but I'm curious to know. So if anybody has used this, does it help with like oily skin and shine that way? As far as the setting spray, I think it's lovely. And then my final product is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is a liquid lipstick in the shade Crush. I do have it on my lips today. For me personally, I feel like it's a little too pale and a little too peachy on my lips. Like, you know, it looks okay, but I feel like it's a little jarring. I feel a little like Nicki Minaj with this shade. On my hand, it looks really pretty, you know, just like a peachy pink that doesn't look like it's going to be super pale. And then I put it on, and I guess just with my skin tone. So today I actually have it a little bit mixed with this one. This one is Veronica, and I just, you know, you can see like the shade combo with, if I put this underneath and like around the edges to give it a little bit more dimension, and then it's not so jarringly peach. on my lips. So that's what's going on here. It's a lot of peach, but I gave it a little bit of Veronica in there. And you can see the two colors swatched on my hand. Veronica is much more of a dark mauve-y color, and this one is like a peachy pink. The one in the middle was another Anastasia Beverly Hills. I can't remember which one that one was. So anyway, lots of fun stuff. I did my choice this morning, and I think I got another one of these, so that'll be a gift to somebody. But I thought that these products were really fun. I really liked all of them. You know, I've only been playing with them for a couple of days, but so far I'm happy. So let me know what you guys are getting in your boxes. Are you excited about this month? I love the bag, super duper fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!